Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I am going to be planning in my social media planner, which is the dashboard layout, and then there's the modern year classic size happy planner. So I printed one of the pages by myself, I designed it, and the second one is from the dashboard planner. I am going to be using the Hello Fall sticker book from Live Love Posh. It's one of my favorite books this season, and I keep coming back to it because it's just designed so beautifully. I can't help myself. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and use this really fall motif here with the rain boots and some flowers, and of course Mojo Jojo goes with this, right? So first I'm gonna put these little rain boots right in the corner. And while I'm doing that, if this is your first time joining me, welcome. And if you have been over to my channel before and you're coming back, welcome back. I truly hope you like it here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep going. I added these pumpkins. They're layered. I love pumpkins with textures like this. So the plaid and the leopard is beautiful. I am going to be using this grid washi in white. I think it's gonna add something different to the spread. I like doing that because, again, everybody has the same sticker books, right? So when you buy a sticker book, it's identical in every single person's hands. So I do this to kind of make it my own. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim this down, and then I'll add this big flower to the side, and I'll just write on top of it, no big deal. I'll add this beautiful little cart, like a coffee bar type of thing, and I'll add the smaller rain boots, and I'll play around with placing these. So we have that. Look how pretty, right? I'm gonna add some coffee because it's fall. Okay, and then I'm gonna add some more washi with the coffee. I think that grid looks so perfect with this. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep adding this underneath. I hope everybody's doing well. Like I said, this will be a quick video. Lately, I've been doing quite a few quick videos. They just make me super happy and I feel productive and I can get a lot done. So, and I'm just gonna make these kind of edge a little. I think that looks pretty great, like so. And then I'm just gonna add a pumpkin right up there. And let's see. I wanted to add one more thing, but I think it's enough. I'm gonna go ahead and add a beautiful quote right there. It says autumn leaves and pumpkins, please. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add November to my page. Actually, right there. That looks great. And I was thinking of adding that sweater weather, and I think that looks great and kind of completes my spread. So now I can pull a couple boxes, probably in black, and just add them to write my videos down on them. I like this certain size of a box, which is this. That's my favorite size, but on that little one, I'm gonna go ahead and add that to the bottom of the page, make room. My spread is done. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you for joining me. I'll see you soon for another plan with me.